Equation of lines. Good morning. We learn next topic. Equation of lines parallel to the x-axis and y-axis. When equation of lines parallel to the x-axis and y-axis. Here is our important points for this. When x-axis, the line is parallel to the x-axis and y-axis. Number 1. X is equal to A. That is y is not exist. Then y is not exist. Equation is like this: 2x is equal to 3, 5x is equal to 7. Otherwise 2x plus 3 is equal to 7. There is y no exist. X is equal to A represents a straight line parallel to y-axis. When y is not exist, then it is parallel to y-axis. At a distance of modulus A units from origin to the right or left. Origin according as A is positive or negative. If our graph is like this, here straight line axis, x-axis, y-axis. X is equal to A. Represent the straight line. X is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose our value is here. X is equal to 1, 0. Point is 1, 0. Then it is here. Or x is equal to 1. Then it is y is equal to 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2. Here it is passing through 1. Then it is line is parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis. At a distance of suppose minus 2. A is equal to 1, but it is minus here. Then it is parallel to distance of modulus A units. It's from O to the right or left row. Here right or left row. Suppose A is negative, then it is left. A is positive, then it is right. Left according as A positive or negative. A is positive, then it is become like here. A is negative. Now again, if x is equal to A, equation is in the form x is equal to A is a straight line parallel to y. Parallel to y. Here it is our parallel y-axis. It is parallel to y. Which lines called parallel lines? If lines do not intersect each other, then it is called parallel line. Next, similarly, y is equal to A represent a straight line parallel to x-axis. Suppose y is equal to A represents parallel to x-axis. It is drawn like here. Y is equal to A. Y is equal to 1, 2, 3. Then value of x is equal to 0, 1, 2. Y is equal to A represent a straight line. Here it is like this straight line. Or parallel to which line? Which axis? Parallel to x-axis. At a distance of modulus A units from O origin of O or B. If y A is negative, then it is below parallel to x-axis. Y is positive, then it is above parallel to x-axis. from O, above or below. According A is positive then it is above, and negative then it is below. Third number. The equation of the form y is equals to mx represent the line passing through the origin. Suppose y is equals to 5x, x is equals to 5y. There is no constant term in this. Then it is passing through origin. The line is passing through like this or like this. Is passing through this. If y is equals to mx, it is passing through this origin. It is passing through origin. 3 points. Equation of lines parallel with the x-axis and y-axis and passing through origin. First, if x is equals to a, then it is parallel to y. X is equals to a, then parallel to y. If y is equals to a, that is x is not exist, then y it is in 0x plus, then it is y is equals to a, then it is parallel to x-axis above or below. Because if a is equals to positive or negative. If a is positive, then above parallel to x-axis, and negative y a is equals to then above below x-axis. If you remember that if x is equals to a, then it is parallel to y-axis, and y is equals to a, then parallel to x-axis. And third, suppose constant term is not exist. Y is equals to mx or x is equals to mx plus 2 minus 2, 3. It is not exist. Then it is passing through origin. It is passing through origin. Okay? 3 topics. Important topics here. Remember this. Give question number exercise 4.1 or 4.4. Question number 1. Give the geometric representation of y is equals to 3 as an equation. Geometric representation in one variable, in two variable. Here y is equals to 3. Then which topic? Y is equals to a. It is parallel to x-axis, and it is parallel to x-axis. It is positive then above x-axis. Now y is equals to 3. You draw like this. In one variable, y is equals to 3. Here I write y. Number 9. You know 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2. This is above in one variable. Represents here in one variable. Or you suppose you draw here vertical, then here write y 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2. You denote it is here y is equals to 3 or y is equals to 3. But here write y is equals to 3. Your line arrow, it is denoted y is equals to 3. Line y-axis, y is equals to 3. In one variable, y is equals to 3. Now second, in two variable. In two variable, we know that our equation, linear equation in two variable is standard form. Ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Here we have y is equals to 3. Compared to ax then means 0x plus y is equals to 3 implies 0x plus y minus 3 is equals to 0. Both are equal. It is in two variable. In two variable 0x plus y is equal to 3. We make it stable. First we draw. One, two, minus, one, three, minus, here. First we prepare its table. 0x plus y is equal to 3. Putting value x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. I draw table. Y is equal to 3. Taking x is equal to 1. 0 into 1, 0 plus y is equal to 3. Therefore, taking 1, it is 3. Taking 0, 0 plus y is equal to 3. 0 is equal to 3. 2 is equal to 3 minus 1 into 0. Therefore, y is equal to 3. Minus 2 is equal to 3. Here, all values of y is equal to 3. Why it is parallel? We plot it. 1, 3 is here. 2, 0, 3 is here. 2, 3 is here. Minus 1, 3 points is here. And minus 2 we join by okay. It is parallel to x-axis and line is y is equal to 3. Here line is y is equal to 3. Any point of x, it is a distance. How many distance? From x, it is a 3 distance from x. Y is equal to 3 parallel to x-axis. Understood this question? Again, give the geometric representation of equation y is equal to 3. In one variable, y is equal to 3, we did not like on number line. 3 as 3 is marked here only. In two variable, we write first 0x plus y is equal to 3. Then you write here 0x plus y is equal to 3 or 0x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0 in standard form. You know, prepare table. Suppose you do not prepare table, then you draw 3, 0, 3, y is equal to 3. You draw parallel to x-axis. I prepare here, taking x is equal to 1, then 3, 0, then 3, 2. 2 zeros are 0, plus y is equal to 3, y is equal to 3. Minus 1, 0 into minus 1, plus y is equal to 3, y is equal to 3. Okay, here for every value of x, value of y is equal to 3. Now, question number 2, exercise 4.4. Exercise 4.4, question number 2. Give geometric representations of 2x plus 9 is equal to 0 as an equation in one variable in two variables. Our equation is 2x plus 9 is equal to 0. In one variable, first we simplify this equation. 2x plus 9 equals to 0. 2x is equals to minus 9. X is equals to minus 9 by 2. You know, minus 9 by 2. Minus 9 by 2 is equals to minus 4.5. X is equals to 9 is divided by 2. 2 4 side 0.025 side. Therefore, minus 4.5 is written as x is equals to minus 4.5. Here, x is equals to 8. It is parallel to y-axis, left, right, or left. It is negative. X is negative. Then it is on left side parallel into variable. In one variable, we draw number 9. Here I write 0, 1, 2, 3. And here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Where is minus 9 by 2? Minus 4.5. Between minus 4 and minus 1. Minus 4 and half. It is here minus 4 and half. This point is between minus 4 and minus 5. Minus 4 and 0.5. This point is here. It is written as x is equals to minus 9 by 2. X is equals to minus 9 by 2. Number 2. Into variable. We denote it is L line. To variable, our equation is 2x plus 9 equals to 0. We write it as 2x plus 0y plus 9 is equals to 0 into variable is a form of this like this. Now prepare its table. Put value x is equals to 1. X is here, y is equals to 1. We want x. Therefore, y is equals to 1. 2x plus 0 into 1 plus 9 is equals to 0. 2x plus 0 plus 9 is equals to 2x plus 9 is equals to 0. X is equals to minus 9 by 2. Otherwise, you do like this. 2x is equals to minus 0y minus 9. X is equals to minus 0y minus 9 divided by 2. If you don't orally, then you calculate this type. X is equals to minus 0y. Put in y is equals to 1, 0 minus 9 by 2. 2, then 2 is 0 is 0 minus 9 by 2. Here x value is constant minus 9 by 2. We have given x is equals to minus 9 by 2 in one variable or two variable. We draw here first table. X is equals to how many? Minus 9 by 2. Taking x is equal, y is equals to 0, x is equals to 9 minus 9 by 2, y is equals to 1 minus 9 by 2, 2 minus 9 by 2, minus 1, it is minus 9 by 2, minus 2, minus 9 by 2. You put any value in this equation, then get x is equals to minus 9 by 2. Now, draw the graph. Minus 9 by 2 is in one, two, three. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Minus 4, minus 5, we did here in minus 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1. Minus 9 by 2, that is minus 4.5. Here, in middle box, you take middle line, then minus 4.5. First point, 0, y is equal to 0 and x is equal to minus 4.5. It is on in here. 1, then minus 4.5, x is equal, y is equal to 1 and minus 4.5. Minus 9 by 2 and 2. Minus 9 by 2 is here. This point is this point is here minus 9 by 2. Here, this point minus 9 by 2. Minus 9 by 2 minus 1. X is equal to minus 9 by 2, y is equal to minus 1. It is here. Then join all points by ruler. It is parallel to y-axis left side. Right here, equation is 2x plus 9 equals to 0. Our equation is 2x plus 9 is equal to 0. It is parallel to y-axis. Example. Solve the equation 2x plus 1 is equal to x minus 3 and represent the situation on number line. On number line or in one variable, then it is denoted as. And in the Cartesian plane, when we draw, it is in graph. In your graph book, there is number line is given and Cartesian plane is drawn. Our equation is 2x plus 1 is equal to x minus 3. 2x, first we solve the equation. 2x minus x is equal to minus 3 minus 1. X is equal to x minus x is equal to minus 3 minus 1 minus 4. On number line, here minus 4 in number line. The Cartesian x is equal to minus 4 written in two variable or for is x plus 0y is not here, 0y plus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, we prepare this table, Cartesian for solving table. X is equal to minus 4, x is equal to minus 4, therefore it is parallel to y-axis. Which side? Left side. Minus 4. X is equal to minus 4. Here y. Taking y as 0, then we get minus 4. 1 as minus 4. Here 0 1 is 0, 0 is equal to minus 4. 1, putting 1, 0 plus 4 is equal to minus 4. 1 minus 4. Here taking value minus 1, 2 minus 4, minus 2, minus 4. Okay, we draw the graph. Minus 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 1. 1, 2, 3. y is equal to 0. Point is here. X is equal to minus 4, y is equal to 1. X is equal to minus 4 and y is equal to 1. It is here. X is equal to minus 4, minus 1. Minus 4, minus 1 in third quadrant. Minus 4, 2, it is here. And minus 4, minus 2. Then we write by ruler. It is line. For it is representation. X is equal to minus 4. Otherwise you write. Here we write x is equal to minus 4. It is parallel, then write, answer, give answer. The line is parallel to y axis. Okay, our chapter is completed here.